Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video. My name is Lindsay. I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark, The Real, and also here on YouTube. I do post mystery unboxing videos on Mondays and Thursdays. So if you do enjoy that type of content, I would love to have you subscribe. And I am here with one of my favorite boxes to open, I would say. I don't do them as often as I did in the past, but I have a Thredup designer box for you today. And this is an older box, but it did come from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. I haven't ordered one of these in a long time. I still have maybe 3 or 4 left, but I have seen some recent ones that have been decent, so I am going to order one when I can get my hands on them. But in general, the Mechanicsburg designer boxes were not the best out of the 3 warehouses when they were coming from different warehouses. But this is an older one, so we'll see. There is an invoice in here. I ordered it on March 19th, so I've had this a long time. They do run $140. That is still the current price today. It runs $9.99 shipping as well and tax. And oh my goodness, there is something amazing that has been hanging out since March in here. So here is a first look, and you'll see what I mean peeking through. Maybe you will. Right in the corner there. Wowza. So I guess we'll have to take a look at that first since we've already gotten a glimpse of it. All right, here it is. This is a Louis Vuitton mini pochette in the Damier Azur. This is a discontinued piece. They no longer make this print in the mini pochette, I believe. This one is made in France. And there is some color transfer along the piping of the canvas, which can happen with these lighter canvases. Overall, the canvas is a little bit discolored. It can, definitely get a wipe down, but I don't think a lot of that is going to come off. And there is a pretty heavy patina on the vachetta leather tab. The gold hardware, there is some plating wear and color loss on there. The little chain does not remove on this, but you can unattach it on one side, and you can, use it with a longer strap if you wanted, or you can tuck it into the purse. These are great as just a little catch-all in your purse. I use mine for, my lipsticks, hand sanitizer, feminine products, stuff like that. The buckle on this one is completely silver. So that does show a lot of wear and some chipping on the zipper pull. But overall, the outside of it is in really good condition. And the interior is heavily stained. Heavily stained. No bad odors, but this was originally probably a tan color on the inside, but it is covered in makeup stains. And we do have our date code here, and I will check that and let you know what year it was made. DU0120. This is definitely authentic. I own this already in this color, so I will be offering this for sale. The retail price on these right now is $7.90. So I know it's just a little pouch but they go for a ton. And these resell well, especially in this canvas since it's been discontinued. And overall, the outside of it is really in good condition other than the hardware and a bit of color transfer. So this is amazing. This will, more than double pay for the box. So I am thrilled with this item. All right, so let's see what else we have in here. I am getting ready to send a couple more things into the Real, so that is part of the reason I wanted to open this box today, to see if there was any clothes to go to the Real. This would probably not be one of them. It is Diane von Furstenberg, and it is a wrap dress in black. Very soft material on this one. It is a size 10, 88% nylon and 12% elastane. So it does have a lot of stretch to it. And it looks to be in pretty good condition. I thought I saw a pin size hole on the back, but I'm not really seeing it. And it's got the long strap so you can wrap it around. Dry clean only. And then we do have our hologram here, which is one of the ways to authenticate the Diane von Furstenberg pieces. So at least that's a good size. They do not resell the best, but it is a wrap dress. So that definitely will resell. I have Valentino. This looks vintage, and it is a size 14 or 48. And this is very nice color. It's like a coral pink. And it feels like a linen, but it could be like a silk blend. Ooh, and this is fabulous. Look at these buttons on the side. Those are beautiful. So it's just on the one side of the dress, but that is an amazing little accent that has there. So this would definitely be a piece that, you know, would be better for spring, but a really classic item. And I'm trying to see if there is a material tag in here, but it does feel like linen silk. So I'm not seeing it, but if I can find it, I will put that on the screen. And then it does have a back zip closure. And this definitely looks like a vintage piece. And the zipper runs fantastic. So it looks like to be in very good condition. So this is fabulous. And these buttons will definitely help, you know, this resell well, because it gives it a really fun detail, and it does have the Valentino logo on the buttons. So that is an amazing piece. Very happy with that one. This is a box that has no shoes in it. The rest is all clothing. Next up we have Max Mara, and this is pure silk made in Italy. And it is a tank, and it looks like it's got a wrap around navy blue, and then it does have a beautiful lace collar. So really cute. It's got lace trim also, and then it just ties closed. And it definitely looks like a small size. It is a USA 8, but it looks really tiny. And the silk is a really nice, thick silk. I'm not seeing any runs on it. So I'm sure this is really cute on. I do like getting this brand. It does sell pretty well. So that is a nice item as well. I have another dress here, and this is Hervé Leger, which they are known for their bandage dresses, which this one looks like it is. And it is a retired Rent the Runway. You can see the barcode there, and it's an extra small. So once the items have been worn and they are showing signs of wear, they will become a rental retiree. And then, you know, Thredup has been getting some of these. They used to have a box solely for rental retirees, but now they just come in the designer boxes from time to time. But I'm not really seeing anything that's a major flaw with this. It looks pretty good to me. The zipper's working. I don't see any holes in it or stains. So this is a good item. Again, probably one that would be better to sell on your own, but it is a really small size, so it might sit for a while. but I will definitely look into comps on that, but it's a great neutral colorway. And next we have something with a chain detail. This is Roberto Cavalli, and it is a dress, and it is 3/4 sleeve. And then it does have this chain detail along the waist. And it looks like a really small size, but that is super cool. And definitely has some stretch to it. And then there is a hole under the armpit, but it looks like that is intentional. And then the sleeve just drapes over. And then it does have a Roberto Cavalli zipper pull, and the zipper's functioning, and I am not seeing any flaws with this one either. All of the clothes have been in really nice condition. And there is an interior tag. It is a size 40, made in Italy. And it does also have the authentication hologram, and it is 97% viscose and 3% stretch. So that is a great piece as well. And lastly, we have another Valentino piece, and this is another dress, and this is weighty. It does have these little dangling seed beads on there. And there may be a couple of them missing. I do see some loose strings, but that is fabulous. And this is a size 10, made in Italy, also looks vintage. Very delicate zipper pull on this one. There is just a tear on the inside along the zipper pull. It was caught there. But otherwise, it's functioning very well. That was just stuck. And it is a long sleeve dress. And I did see a material tag in here. This is fabulous. Oh, I'll just unzip it because that's where I saw it. Yeah, this definitely looks vintage. It's made in Italy. It is acetate and viscose. So you can see the interior tag is really yellowed. This is phenomenal. I will probably send both of the Valentino dresses into the RealReal. And I think that they will do pretty well. That is just fabulous. So what an amazing box, and so nice to see some luxury brands. We had the Valentino black dress. We had the Roberto Cavalli dress, which is really cool with the gold belt chain detail. And I have it upside down. That was number 2. 3, we had the Hervé Leger bandage dress, which was in great condition, it appears to be. Number 4, we had the Max Mara little top in silk. 5, we had the gorgeous Valentino dress with the buttons, which is absolutely fabulous. Number 6, we had the Diane von Furstenberg wrap dress. And last but not least is the Louis Vuitton pochette, mini pochette in the Damier Azur. So fantastic. I wonder if this could have even gotten a little color transfer from being in this box with the black clothing. But again, it's really not that bad at all. So this was fabulous. Definitely one of the best boxes I've opened in a long time. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this one. I appreciate you watching, and I'll be back on Monday with a brand new video. I hope you have a great weekend.